morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying more on PowerPoint 2016 and today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. Now, today we will learn how to create a photo album. First of all, a photo album is a PowerPoint presentation that you create to display photographs. Now, what is photo album? एक ऐसा presentation है PowerPoint का that is used to display all the photographs. PowerPoint always create a new presentation for a photo album. Now remember this thing, okay? हमेशा PowerPoint एक न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करेगी टू क्रिएट अ फोटो एल्बम. Follow these steps to create a photo album. Now, to create a photo album, where we have to go? We have to select the Insert tab in the Images group, then select the photo album. Let's see. Now, here we are having the Insert tab in the Images group. Yes, here we are having new photo album. Now you can upload all the photos first in your computer or laptop, then you can create a photo album. Insert pictures from file or disk. Now whatever pictures I am having, like abacus, I will select it, then I will click on insert. Next, insert again. How many pictures you want to insert? Okay, analytical engine, insert. Then one more I am going to insert, that is a Blu-ray disc, insert. Then I am going, no, there is another option like picture layout, fit to slide. You want one picture or two picture? How will be the layout of the picture? If you want it fit to slide, and if you want one picture, then you can choose the shape of the picture. Okay, if you want only one picture at a time, then you can choose the shape of the picture, rounded rectangle, or if you want two pictures, see, this is how it will be displayed. Two pictures, the shape of the picture, you want the frame shape, simple frame, white, and then you can go on, click on create. See, a new presentation is being created as we have studied in theory. Yes, for creating a photo album, it is a PowerPoint, it is a new PowerPoint presentation. See here, these are the number of slides. See, here we have created two pictures in one single slide. In this way, you can create your own photo album in the PowerPoint presentation. Now, dear children, here we are having insert audio. In which group? In the Insert tab, in the Media group, we are having audio. Now, audio from file. If you have already pre-recorded audios, then you can choose it from here, or else you can also record a audio like this. Okay, here is the start and stop button, pause button. Yes, you can record the audio and then you can use it in the slide as well. Or else you can also insert a video clip. Insert a video from file. If you are having different videos in your computer, yes, you can insert it by just click on it and then click on insert. Okay, understood? Or else you can insert the video from website as well. If you are having a internet connectivity, then you can insert a video from the website as well. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Moving on to the next. Inserting audio and video files. PowerPoint allows you to easily insert video recordings, movie clips, etc. in your presentation. This help make your presentation interactive, and the link is required files your presentation. Now, we have seen this, how to insert audio as well as the video files. Is it clear to you? Next, we are having slide transitions and animation. Now, this is a new thing for you all. In a presentation, you must have seen that text and pictures appears one after the other on a slide. Sometimes text and pictures also appear to fly in from the top or side of the slide. There can be many other effects that can be applied to slide, text, pictures, etc. in a presentation. This can be done using the command on the transition or an animation tabs. Now, Slide transition. Now what are slide transition? Now we can do different effects in our presentation, in our slides. And what does effect create? It creates an attractive look. Okay, now the audiences are very much attracted to our presentation with the help of this. The first one is a slide transition. Slide transition are the special visual effects used to introduce the slides in an animated manner during the slideshow. Transitions क्या है? एक special visual effects है, okay, जो हमारी slides में introduce होते हैं. You can make a slide into a new slide or a new slide to cover up the previous slides, as there are many such transition effects available in the PowerPoint. Where will you be having the transitions? See, here I am having the transition. Cut, fade, push, wipe. Different transitions I am having. You can see the preview here. Yes, split. Yes, reveal. Or random bars. By selecting any one of the transition, you can then click on save, uncover or cover. Okay, understood dear children? These are many transitions available to us. Next we are having, see, I just applied a transition, okay, and then just it appeared on my current slide. Next we are having animations. Now, animations are special effects that you can add to your text and objects on a slide. Now, what are animation? Now, these are some special effects which are applied on the objects in a slide. That can be an image or that can be an text. वो कहाँ अप्लाई होते हैं? जो हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं स्लाइड में, दैट इज अ टेक्स्ट और एन इमेज और एनी अदर फाइल, एनिमेशंस आर दैट. Animation control the flow of information and make the presentation interesting enough for audience to pay complete attention. Now I will show you this as well. For suppose if I want to highlight this one, okay, if I want to highlight this point, that are the animations, okay, I will select it. I will go on the animations, okay, then I will make them fly in or I make them float in, so that it makes the audience, okay, complete attention. It pays the complete attention of the audience. Or you can use wipe, shape, wheel. Different transition effects are available to us. Is it clear to you dear children? Understood? There are many transitions as well as there are many animations. Transition are the special visual effects to the slides, and animations are the special effects that you can add to text and objects in a slide. Animation कहाँ अप्लाई होते हैं? हमारे टेक्स्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स में, स्लाइड्स के टेक्स्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स में. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग, सी, एनिमेशन इज एडेड using design templates. If you are not sure about how to design slides, that is background color, fonts, effects on slide, you can make use of design templates or themes. Now, if you are not sure how to use all the background colors, themes, animations, transitions, we can use a design templates. It's a new thing. Yes. Now, what is a design template? It is a design template or a theme is a predefined set of colors and effects. Is a predefined set of colors and effects that add to our slide. Now, what you have to do? Okay, for suppose you are on this slide, design. Okay, here I am having the design template. These are the different templates which I am having. Okay, see. It will be applied to all. It will be applied to all. See, as I am moving my cursor, you can see the changes. Now, in these design templates, the background color is already fixed. The special effects are already there. Okay. Now, all the things are predefined in the design templates or themes, you can say as well. Understood? I don't have to do anything to it. Okay, मेरे को कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही थी, ना मुझे बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज करना पड़ा था, nor I have to highlight the headings as well. They are already predefined in the design templates or themes. Is it clear to you dear children? Yes? Next, we are having in your chapter, that is, a design template affects all the slides of the presentation. After using a theme, if you wish to set different background color to a particular slide, you can use a format background option as highlighted in the yellow color. Now dear children, if you are using any design template, okay, if we are using this one, okay, currently I am using this design template. Here I am having the background, okay, background style. I can format the background as well, okay. If I want to solid fill, gradient fill or picture or texture fill, I can format this. This thing you have already learned, okay. It's just that if we are applying any design template, then also we can format the background of a particular slide. Yes, is it clear to you? Next, we are having hyperlinking. If you wish to create a presentation where linking is required, that is any item in the slide, be it some text or image or shapes linked to other slides, other file or any web page, hyperlinking can be useful to us. Now dear children, what is hyperlinking? You know what? When we link one thing to another, yes, जब हम जैसे कि आप पढ़ रहे हो कुछ भी, ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स वी टेक, यस, now you are studying a concept, okay, and to understand that concept you take an example, okay, so we are providing a link between the two, okay, हम लोग एक link provide करते हैं. In the same way in the PowerPoint presentation also we can also add a link between the text, okay, between this slide to any web page or to any other file also, okay. So it is very easy for us. For that, where you have to go? You have to go on the insert tab. Okay, here we are having hyperlink. Yes. Now, for suppose I want this document to be linked with the answer key of computer. Okay. Yes. Text to display this. Okay. This will be the screen tip. For that, I will just click on OK. Now see dear children. Here I have linked the document. Now if I right click on it, I can open the hyperlink. See here, see. Now that file has been opened, means मैंने लिंक किया दोनों को, PowerPoint स्लाइड को मैंने लिंक किया किसके साथ, मेरी आंसर की के साथ. Understood? Yes, in the same way you can link many other things like that. Once again I will show you, okay. If I wish to hyperlink it, okay, I will click on hyperlink, okay. Now you can place in this document as well. You can choose the slide, yes. For suppose we are currently working on slide number 43, yes, this slide we are working, and the text to display, that is the link, the highlighted hyperlink will be on wish word, okay. I will select on OK. Now when I will open it, open hyperlink, okay, that document will be already, this document is already displayed, so it will be opened. Understood it dear children? Yes, I will just do the undo option. Where you have to go? You have to go on hyperlink, then existing file or web page, then you have to choose, or you can place in this document also, yes, anything. You can create a new document also, that is to link a slide with other file or other presentation or any other image, anything with like that. Is it clear to you dear children? Next we are having the action time, the last action time, which is there in your textbook on page number 69. Now what was transition effect? You have to watch the video very carefully. You have to understand the meaning, and then you have to do the match the following in the textbook itself, okay. After doing it, you will send me the photo shot, okay. I hope you understood these concepts very clearly dear children. If you are having any doubts, you are free to call me, okay. We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.